Welcome back to Whitt Acres. Today we're doing the baby bird barnyard shuffle. It's another beautiful sunny blue sky day here that they're not calling for any rain. And I could really use some more rain. We did just get almost a ½ an inch the other day. It came down really quick, so we did get some greening up here in the fields, but it's still very dry out here. I have Rita down here in the koi pond getting special treatment. She's not doing too great. She's actually been really slow for about a week now. I noticed Rita stopped preening. She started getting a little dirty here, so I brought her down to the koi pond so she can float around and she can try and get herself cleaned up. What are you doing, Rita? You hanging out with all the koi fish, girl? Yeah, we got Dorothy right beside you, huh? They're nibbling on your feet. She's actually doing a little bit better today, but she's not walking around, so she's just floating in the pond here. I've actually been making up a slurry with her feed and some medicine and force feeding her straight into her throat because she's not eating on her own. And I've been doing that for a few days now. She's actually not even staying up at the barn anymore. Once Rita got weak like this, the other birds actually started to pick on her whenever she went in at night. And they actually started to beat up her one eye and it swelled shut. I got that open back up and I've been using some eye drops. But since she's weak right now and the other ones have started picking on her, she actually floats down here in the koi pond all day long. I feed her with a little syringe that I get down into her throat. And I set up a dog cage in my room where she sleeps for the night. Rita is the one rescue duck that I have here on the homestead. She is a jumbo white Pekin duck though, so her breed is actually made to be a meat duck. And the meat breeds typically don't live as long as the other breeds. He actually let me know that she's 5. I was thinking she was a little bit younger, but she's at least 5 years old now. So I'm not sure if there's any other complications arising because of her age coming up. But she'll actually doze off here, float around in the water, and then she wakes back up a little bit and swims around. So I'm giving her about 20 mils of the feed and medicine slurry I made up, and I'm trying to give that to her about 5 times a day, trying to keep her energy up. Huh, Rita, you like swimming around in this pond? You making friends with the goldfish? Yeah, you tell them, girl. But for now, she's doing pretty well down here in the pond, just floating around. Huh, Pup, what are you doing, bud? You gonna do some weeding for me? It needs it. But today we're going to be heading out to the barn and we're going to consolidate some of the chicken tractors. I'll be back, Rita. So out here in the chicken tractors, I have 3 mama hens and they have 14 baby chicks in between them. And they're getting to the size where I want to put them together. It's best to put them together whenever they're as young as possible, but I wanted to keep them with their mums for as long as possible so they could learn from them. But now I think it's time that the mums want to go back to the flock and I can put all the babies together. And that'll make taking care of them a little bit easier too. Huh, Sedgwig? You about ready to move on out, girl? Look how big your babies are. They're huge, girl. I can't see in there, huh? Look at those babies. They're almost half the size of you, girl. They got beautiful colors on them. They got all their adult colors on them, but not all their adult feathers yet. Huh, you got an all black one there. Good job, Sedgwig. You got, oh. Good job, Sedgwig. It's gonna be a moving day. What about you, Green Queen? You got the smallest babies out of everybody. You think your babies are ready to move on out with everybody else? You got the small babies, Green Queen. You hatched out yours a little bit later than the other mamas, huh? I probably could let these babies grow up a little bit more, but I think it's going to be best if I get them all together at the same time. If I try and introduce these 5 after introducing everybody else, they might actually get focused on more and get picked on. It's probably best to put everybody together at once. Huh, little Ro? Let me see your big babies. Huh? You got big old baby chicks, don't you? These, especially Bert's baby. Look at that thing. Are you going to be my first female Snowball? Or are you going to end up being a big old rooster again? Kind of looks female-ish right now. What about you, big old starling? You kind of look like a starling, and so does your sister. And you look like your mama. I think before I end up using this again, I'll go ahead and paint this cage black so it's easier to see inside for the babies and the birds. But it's time for little Ro to move out anyway. And we're not going to be changing up that chicken tractor because that has the meat turkey on pasture. But I'd like to move all these babies up into the love shack behind the barn, but for me to do that, I have to move Pants' babies out and find a place for them. Dabbles! What are you doing, Dabbles? I hear you, Striper. You talking like your sister now, huh? Where's your sister? There she is. I see you too. Dabbles, what's going on, bud? You got no piggies outside. A beautiful day, no piggies even outside. Huh, what about you, ducks? You getting any shade from your cover? That pool got a little bit, huh? Dabbles, you don't get any shade, huh, bud? You got some at your house. What? You got some at your house? Yeah, I'll freshen up your water, buddy. I'll get you all freshened up, bud. Uh-huh. Yeah, you tell him. What's up, Duke? Even the duck's grass is all dying. We need some rain. I guess Echo Pup thinks it's hot today. Piggies, you feeling hot today? Huh? Huh, S'more? Why are you guys inside? It's actually cooler in here. What are you doing, guys? It's cooler inside the barn, huh? Everybody wanted you to get outside and you guys want to stay inside. They have a shade sail over their mud pit and they still want to stay inside. Benefits of the bank barn, huh, pigs? And we do have another mama hen over here. She's not going to be moving today because she has tiny little peepers. These are the pure Burton Snowball babies from the Love Shack. It took her 2 rounds of brooding, but she had success on the 2nd round. Now she has 3 beautiful peepers to raise up. What's up with you, Rufio? You just hanging out in the corner, bud? Yeah, you're in rooster jail now. He had Lucy over to hang out last night, but I let her out in the morning. Hump up. Goats! You chewing your cud, goats? I see you. You're so happy, huh, buddy? I know. Hold on, I'll get you a snack in a second. Swallow your cud. This is for the Snowballs and Bert. Here you go, guys. Here you go, everybody. We have Bert and the Snowballs up here in the turkey hut now, and he's been really good about not jumping over the fence. And you might be a little surprised, but all these big birds in here are Pants' little babies. Where you going? Where you going, birdies? And I thought that one was injured on the shoulders, but I think that's just red coloring in the feathers. Not sure who the dad is. I'm fairly certain getting them out of here is not going to be an easy task. But in the door here, we have another surprise. Are you being broody, Pants? You've been sitting here for so long. Why are you still sitting in here? How many eggs are you sitting on, good girl? You trying to hatch out another batch? You so happy with your original batch, girl. You want another round? Yeah, they look good. You did hatch out some boys. Try not to do that, girl. How many eggs do you have? You sitting on a bunch, girl? They're popping out of your chest. Need more hay to make a nest, girl? Here you go. Try and help you out there. You can stay in here. I'm just gonna move the babies in with you. There you go. Work on your nest. I hear you, Star. Star really started teaching her brother how to yell at me. Huh. Yeah, I hear your voice too, bud. You guys have 2 different voices, don't you? I didn't get you any snacks yet, buddy. Hold on, I just wanted some pettins. Yeah, you'll take some pettins now. Yeah, you used to not like pettins, but look at you just hanging in there. You buddy. Girl, I'll get you a snack. Hey, broody girls. How you doing? Just grabbing some growth snacks. Not trying to scare anybody. Everybody calm down. Calm down. Come on, pup. I got your treats right here, girl. I'm coming. I got your licorice goat treats. It's better than the corn. Yeah, it's better than the corn. But I only have 1 hand, so you guys got to share out of the same hand. There you go. Yeah, no. Same hand. Hey, greedy goat. Hey, greedy goat. Be nice to your sister. Oh, girl. You're usually the greedy one. You don't want your licorice? Do you want your licorice or not? Your brother's going to eat it all. You don't need to eat all that licorice, bud. That was only, no, that was 2 servings. You only get 1 serving. What? What? Don't go in there. It's all poison ivy. What? You barking at your echo or are you barking at a smell? Are you barking at your echo? Echo? No, there's a fence there. You can't go in there, bud. All right. Star, you want your licorice or not, girl? Oh, come on, Star. Star. There you go. Take what you want, girl. Boy, you already had your share. I told you it was 2 servings. You had your serving. Yeah. You silly goats. Go, I'll open up. Go ahead. You little tongues. Hold on, your mouth is full. You can't eat when you have a full mouth. Okay, buddy, it's all gone. It's all gone, buddy. All right, guys. Go ahead and burn off some energy now. Come on, pup, we got works to do. All right, I think what I'm gonna start with is just getting all 3 mums out and seeing how they react to the babies. Oh, calm down. You silly chicken. Ugh. Sedgwick ran away to get a dust bath, and Lil Roe and Green Queen are staying right beside their babies, so I don't know what to do right now. I turned the bird box around so Sedgwick's babies could still see her, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put Green Queen's in with Sedgwick's. Hi, Green Queen. How's this gonna go? You ready for your babies to make new friends? Good one. Okay. Okay, I'll get your siblings. Together. Look at little Roe. Look at this fluffy one. Oh, little Roe. Oh, she's okay, girl. Okay, everybody's back together. Oh, Pape, we did it. All 3 mums have went up to the fence to start trying to get back in with the original flock, and the babies are yelling for them. I'm not sure if Little Ro can be a mom to all of them or if she's gonna pick on the ones that aren't hers, but one way to find out. All right, we're gonna see if Little Ro can be flock mama here. She's sticking with her 4 right now. I'm hoping she doesn't pick on the other ones and she can kind of adopt them. Green Queen's out underneath the tree and Sedgwig's up in the corner of the fence there. And Little Ro was pacing around the box here and even jumping on top of it, trying to get back with her babies. So I figured she might be able to still be a mom here to all these little ones. And maybe she can help chaperone and keep the transition a little bit smoother. Huh, Little Ro, you gonna be nice to everybody else? They're almost as big as you, Little Ro. I know, everybody's so scared right now. You'll settle in. Go ahead, guys, start getting something to eat. There you go, spread it out, bud. You don't need to have it in the bowl. You gonna be cool, Little Ro? We got one set walking over here. Let's see if we can get the second set. Oh, there you are. Hey, okay, some posturing. That's gonna happen. You guys look the same. Did you guys figure out you guys are twins? You silly chickens. All right, that's fine. That's why we want to introduce them young so they don't fight too much. They'll be able to raise up and kind of get their pecking order straight. Yeah, Little Ro has to tell everybody she's top. Be gentle. Good girl, be gentle about it. Yeah, she's pecking everybody in the face like, hey, I'm top dog here. I'm puppy. Go ahead, straighten everybody out, girl. Make sure there's no fights. I'll leave you be. Hey piggies, you guys enjoying your mud hole now? You came out once it cooled off a little bit, huh? Dough boy, you're not stuck, are ya? You dirty pigs. Happy pigs though. Huh, Dabbles? You want to be down in the pond with Mumbles, don't you? In time, buddy, in time. What are you guys doing? You looking for some treats? I don't have any new treats for you. We do have some new treats here sent in by the viewers. For the ladies, huh Dot, huh Bonnie, Sammy. Try out the good stuff. Uh-oh, pig zoomies. What happened? Who said what? S'more, you got the zoomies, girl. What happened, girl? You just start running. Spooling everybody up, girl. Not quite tall enough yet. I can barely reach you. Huh, girl? You got dirt on your nose. You got dirt on your nose. Dabbles! I got you fresh water, buddy. Yeah, you want it. I know. Coming in, bud. Coming in. Got your fresh waters, buddy. Huh, Dabbles? Huh, Dabbles? Lead the way, bud. I'll follow you. What are you guys doing? What? Melissa, calm down, girl. So of course you guys know Dabbles, and I don't know if I introduced Maggie much, but this one in the white is Maggie, and then we have the black ducks. I don't have any names for these 3 black ducks, but I do have a name for the turducken over here. Hey, you leave him alone, Dabbles. He's on the other side of the fence. Echo. No, don't be messing with him. What are you two doing? You be friends. You be friends. But the other 2 ducks that have bigger bodies actually hatched out here on the homestead underneath one of my turkeys named Pam. So I've been affectionately referring to these 2 as tucklings, but one of them is actually a male, the black one. This big old one with the... What, buddy? I'm trying to tell him something. Oh, you want your fresh water. All right, all right. Why didn't you say so? So I've been referring to the black one and this one over here as the tucklings, but one is a male. Okay, it's there, bud. And this one is actually a female, which I'm really happy about because she's so pretty. Look at her colors. She is gorgeous, head to toe, and I'm going to be calling this one Hermione. But if you have some good names for the black ducks, I'm going to need them, because I think I'm going to keep this one black Drake. And no, his name's not going to be Drake. But he almost has some bowling ball markings on his chest, so I'm not sure if we can go somewhere with that. And we have 2 runner ducks that look like pins. I don't know what you're thinking, though. All right, let me get your other bucket. This bucket has the powdered niacin mixed in, because you are a growing boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. I'm coming in, ducks, coming in. All right. I know, it's not as good as the pond. I know. What, Melissa? But for now, we're going to keep Mumbles and Dabbles separated, just getting to know each other through the fence. Hump up. There's no rush. Uh-oh, Green Queen made it inside, and the other girls have to reestablish their pecking order on her. You okay, Green Queen? Do I need to separate you? On chicken? Anybody else in there yet? No? Sedgwick's still out. Hey, don't be cornering her underneath stuff. Keeping an eye on you. Ladies. Oh, she's got to fight everybody. All right, ladies. Here's a snack. Leave her alone. Hey, leave her alone. Hey, Green Queen. It's okay. Come on out. Come on out, girl. It's okay. Let's stay out here with Sedgwick for a little bit, girl. There you go. Stay out here with Sedgwick for a little bit. Puppy, don't eat that chicken. Good boy. Come on, pup. Let's shut this gate so they have time to integrate. It's okay, Green Queen. You can get up now. The danger's gone. What's going on over here, Lil Ro? I need you to maintain order. You can't just keep an eye on your 4. Maintain order through the whole flock. You know your role, Mama Hen. Did you adopt one already? No, you still have 4. Okay. All right, I got the GoPro on them. At least we'll know what happens if something happens. All right, Lil Ro, keep it tight. Over the dock. There you go, girl. You can stand up. Good job. Alright, coming in. Coming in to join you. Yeah. Yeah, right here with you, girl. How you doing? Okay. You getting any energy from this? I hope so. I hope so, girl. Those aren't hot. Yeah, does it taste good? Taste good? Yeah. Girl. Good. You poop on my foot? Silly duck. All finished. All finished. You are. You want help? Come back off. How you doing, Lil Ro? You keeping everybody safe? Not just your 4? You gotta protect everybody, Lil Ro. You're the biggest in there. Be a good role model. Lil Ro, do you only have 1 tail feather right now? You molten girl, you lost all your other feathers. You barely even have a tail. You're gonna look funny bobtailing it. Yeah, you are. So they're kind of staying separated right now. Lil Ro's moving them around, but they were staying in their own corners, and then Lil Ro's keeping her 4 babies. It's okay, guys, you can spread out. I don't know what Lil Ro told you, but everybody's allowed to feed and water. Not sure where Green Queen and Sedgwig went. Oh, Sedgwig's right here. You getting a dust bath, girl? Okay, get cleaned up. Where's Green Queen? She got up. I saw she wasn't laying there anymore, but I'm not sure where she went. Puppy, we lost Green Queen. Green Queen? Oh, she's with the ducks. Okay. You were worrying me, girl. You found something to eat, Green Queen? Alright, good. Hey, Dabbles. I see you, bud. Now, Mumbles said she doesn't want you out yet. You keep putting your neck down on the ducks. Yeah. She said you gotta be nice before you get let out. Oh, pigs. What are you guys doing? You happy tail wagging pigs? Good. I see you, Doughboy. I just unboxed this water today. It's a 1.5 gallon water that pulls down here in a little bowl. So I'm gonna be using this for Dabbles and the ducks in the triangle house at night. What are you doing, Muffins? You trying to escape, girl? So we're gonna get this filled up. Come on, Pop. All right, we got this filled up, and I'm not gonna give it to them yet, because once they find this in the house, they're gonna dabble all through it, and it's gonna go quickly. Not dizzy. So we'll give that to them later. Oh, and on a distracted side note, I am gonna be remodeling the Fluffy Butt hut here. It's not super easy to clean out, and it's not easy to get at the eggs, so I wanna remodel this whole thing for them. And I also wanna give them better perches in here, so they're not over there on the steps and in the entryway, making it all messy. Huh, Pop? But we'll get to that. What was I doing now? All right, Rosie and Dizzy are coming out. They can meet Green Queen and Sedgwick, get back on the pecking order. But you, Big Bonnie, Regina, Dot, Sammy, Lucy, Muffins, Gina, you're not gonna be coming out here. You can't be all beating up on her at the same time. Take it easy on them, you two. Now, we're not gonna be moving Pants' babies tonight because that's gonna be a process and I don't have enough time right now. Huh, Sedgwick? You chilling, girl? Good job, Sammy. I hear you, Star. How you doing, Sedgwick? You happy to be free? Hey, Sammy. I did do some clean outs yesterday and I hung up the shade cloth over the duck pole, so I'll throw you back for that montage. Uh-oh, fights. Keep it orderly, Lil Ro. I'm sure there's some people with the right way to do this, but I'm still learning and I like to experiment when I learn. So we're going with this for now. So we have Lil Ro in with the babies right now and we're gonna see how it goes. Everybody being nice in that corner over there. Hey, why does that guy have his head down? Coming in. Coming in. Did you two get stuck or are you just hiding? Did you guys get stuck or what's up? Hey bud, you come out too. Yeah, you're not an ostrich. You can't just put your head underground. All right, you guys are good? Everybody good? Everybody be nice. Hey. That one looks just like you. Why are you picking on him? or her. I'm gonna move some of the resources around so everybody has access to them. They can't actually just hoard them. Hey, hey. What are you doing? Everybody calm down. And this is why you want to introduce them whenever they're young as possible. They start getting aggressive as they get older. You guys good? I spread the resources out. Hopefully everybody can move around and get what they need. All right, guys, settle in. All right, that's gonna be all for this one. We consolidated all the babies, and that was the main goal. What's going on in there, pup? Hopefully all goes well in here, but there's always the chance of the unknown whenever you're dealing with live animals. If you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave, and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cool.